Governor Raimondo and the state's education commissioner held their second weekly back-to-school Facebook Live forum this afternoon.
And this time they're specifically talking about how they safely reopen child care centers in the state and how lessons learned from that can be used to safely reopen schools. Eyewitness
News reporter Rob Nesbitt is in our control room with what they're saying to parents tonight. Rob?
Mike, the governor's Facebook Live mentioned how well summer camps and child care centers are doing, but it also stressed how important it will be for the state to provide supplies to schools to keep kids safe. Governor Raimondo and Education Commissioner Angelica Infante Green were joined by Rhode Island Department of Human Services Director Courtney Hawkins and Yale School of Public Health Dean Dr. Sten Vermund. Hawkins says that 75% of child care systems in Rhode Island are open and running safely because they are paying attention to science and listening to the experts. According to Dr. Vermund, less than 1% of cases are among young people, but he's concerned that kids could become vectors to older people who are more vulnerable to COVID-19. Around 1,300 people watched the Facebook Live to hear how the reopening plan for schools will use the protocols of child care centers as a safe example.
We've had fewer than 24 cases across kids and teachers, and we've been able to respond appropriately enough to quarantine where appropriate, to test people, to clean, that it really reduces the potential for spread in a facility or in a school.
Governor Raimondo says that the state plans on making investments to provide temperature checking supplies, masks, and upgraded air filtration system to schools reopening in August. Live from the control room, I'm Rob Nesbitt, Eyewitness News.